My name is Morgan Law and I'm from FindPoints.biz, and I love helping business owners and bookkeepers get organized. And I even have a whole YouTube channel dedicated to that. Today I'm partnering with QuickBooks to do a video series on how to help business owners run their business more efficiently. Time cards are more than just clocking in and clocking out. There are lots of laws that you need to be aware of in order to stay compliant with the Fair Labor Standards Act. In this video, we're going to go over what you need to know for calculating your employees' time data. First, I'm going to talk about 4 tips in using the free time card calculator tool. That is a mouthful. And then I'm going to go over 3 tips to avoid issues. If you find this topic helpful, make sure to like this video and then subscribe to QuickBooks YouTube channel for more videos like this. Paying employees accurately is obviously very crucial to running your business. The free time card calculator tool makes it super easy. I'm going to teach you how to use it now. Number 1, select time card details. First, you want to start by selecting the type of time card and then the number of days. So 5 days for Monday through Friday and 7 days for Monday through Sunday. And then pick either weekly or bi-weekly, depending on if you want to just see 1 week spread or 2. Number 2, add hourly and overtime rates. So next you want to select either yes or no if the employee is eligible to receive overtime. Usually that is over 40 hours in a week or over 8 hours in a day. Check your local laws to make sure. Number 3, add times worked and don't forget overtime and breaks. So you want to start by putting your employees' clock in and clock out time, as well as any overtime. Next, add any unpaid breaks, and that break time is subtracted from the total. As the clock in and clock out times get filled in, the tool will calculate each employee's total hours, both overtime and regular, as well as their total gross pay. Number 4, download and save or print the data. So if you would like a spreadsheet of all your employees' time data, just enter your email address in the box provided. Then you can open it up in Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or another application. Now that you know the basics of how to use the free time card calculator tool, we're going to go over 3 issues that you want to try to avoid. Number 1, misclassified employees. Most of the time, your salaried employees are going to be exempt from getting overtime, but not in every case. If an employee gets misclassified, they might miss out on getting those overtime wages that they're eligible for, and then you could be at risk of unpaid back wages as well as attorney's fees. Number 2, failure to pay overtime. So I have a statistic here that says labor lawsuits rose 417% from 1997 to 2017. And the majority of those, the employer, you, had to pay back wages. So you want to be really careful with paying overtime correctly, not just to avoid those fees, but also because it's the right thing to do. Any non-exempt employee who works over 40 hours a week must be paid overtime. And in some places, it's actually over 8 hours a day. So check your local state and see what the regulations are. And managers can discipline employees for not following the company guidelines on overtime, but you cannot deny them overtime pay. So if someone worked overtime, you gotta pay them for it. Number 3, mismanaged employee breaks. So the federal government doesn't have certain regulations or laws governing breaks, but there are 21 states that have made their own meal and rest break rules. Typically, any break under 20 minutes is considered paid time, so the employee should not clock out. And any break over 30 minutes is considered unpaid time, so they should clock out. And again, if you do not do this correctly within your business, you are at risk of getting sued. Before I was a bookkeeper, I actually managed hourly employees at a big company. And it was a huge part of our culture to get that really good break and meal compliance. And where I live, you actually have to take your meal break by your 4th hour worked. So we were constantly reminding people, oh, it's time, you gotta go take your lunch break, hurry, go. And so make sure that is a part of your company culture as well. The good news is that the right tools are really gonna help you be super accurate when you're doing time card data. And you're gonna avoid any payroll and time tracking issues. The free time card calculator tool that we spoke about in this video is a great way to track employee time. QuickBooks Time really makes it easy to automate employee time tracking. With the mobile app, you can track, submit, and approve time from anywhere. It's also fully integrated with QuickBooks Online and QuickBooks Payroll, so you can manage your business all in one place. If you found this content valuable, please give this video a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to QuickBooks YouTube channel down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.